Hey guys, this is Arun from the Digital Deepak team. Today we're going to talk about how to prevent getting banned from Amazon affiliate program. Since we want to be affiliate marketers, we want to be long-term affiliate marketers. It's important that we are safeguarding our business from getting banned either from Amazon or from Google or from any affiliate program. Today we will take measures so that we are in the good light when it comes to Amazon Associates program. So let's go ahead. First thing is have a disclosure on your site. So in the footer of your niche site or your blog which promotes Amazon products as an affiliate, make sure that you had a disclosure like this. For instance, this particular website, thankyourskin.com, is a participant in Amazon Services LLC Associates program, an affiliate advertising program. So once you have given a disclosure like this, your users will start trusting you more, and also Amazon highly recommends you do that. The second thing to remember is use the right Amazon buttons. For instance, if you are running a Google ad, then know that there are few important things to remember. You using Amazon branded buttons in the ad copy is not acceptable by Amazon. Amazon wants to protect its own brand, so it is not comfortable with people using branded buttons in its copy. If you see my own website, which is trimmersformen.in, there is this image, there is this buy now button, there is this logo, and this is fine because I'm not using Amazon official buy now button. So you can use something similar, and I will share a tutorial of how to create such graphics in my upcoming videos in the 10k niche site challenge. So if you are using a button, make sure it's not the Amazon branded button. So if you see shop now at amazon.com, this is basically Amazon button styling. Amazon doesn't like that. And also you should not use on Amazon. It's okay to use at amazon.com. So even the wording is important which you use in the button. The number 3 is don't show price. See, the price on Amazon which you see is very volatile. It might be 900 for one moment. After a refresh, the price might be something else. So Amazon its own algorithms which determines the price. So unless you are using a particular API to pull that price and show it on your own website, you should not display the price of the product on your affiliate website, because Amazon doesn't like a fake pricing or a pricing which is very high to be shown to its users. So it's again a branding thing which Amazon is careful about, and it doesn't want its affiliates to ruin its branding. The fourth thing to remember is don't link from sexually explicit or violent sites. You might have a guns website or something related to sexual education or anything which promotes violence. You might be participating in a Facebook group which is about some hatred or violence, and you might share your Amazon affiliate link. And if Amazon finds that, if you're linking from sexually explicit or obscene material, or material which promotes violence, or material which promotes false or deceptive material, or defamatory material, or something which is harassing an individual or invading someone's privacy, then Amazon might ban your account. Number 4 would be don't send Amazon affiliate links in email and SMS. So Amazon doesn't like you promoting offline, and if you're promoting Amazon affiliate links in any printed material, mailing, SMS, MMS, email, or attachment to an email or other document, or any oral solicitation. For instance, you are in a conference and you say that why don't you go and buy the products on Amazon using so and so link. That is not allowed by Amazon. This is again to protect themselves as a brand. make sure in your email campaigns you don't use this. The screenshot which you're seeing, this is the screenshot from Amazon affiliate program policies page. I will link to all Amazon related documents which you should read before becoming an Amazon associates in the text section below. Do have a look at it. The next one is use only Amazon URL shortener service. You should not use any other cloaking or redirecting tool. In my previous video I mentioned that you have to use an link cloaker so that your URLs look user friendly. Yes, I used an Amazon link at that time. I used that as an example, not that you have to use an Amazon link and link cloak it. When you are promoting an Amazon product, make sure you are using only Amazon URL shortener service. There are many affiliates who are getting away with this. Yes, Amazon might not be so strict when it comes to implementing this particular item. There are many affiliates who are still doing it and they haven't got banned by doing this. But yes, on the safer side, you should implement this so that you don't get into trouble with Amazon. The next item is don't use affiliate links for items you purchase. Make sure that whenever you're buying a product on Amazon, you're not using affiliate link. You promoting the link in among friends, relatives, employees, contractors, or business relations to directly or indirectly purchase any products through special links, whether for their use or your use, is not encouraged by Amazon. Amazon wants its brand and products to be talked about in a new bunch of customers. So if people who have already customers buying the products and you are somehow promoting them in your friends or colleagues, Amazon would not be happy with that. Don't operate more than one account. This is important because one of your accounts might get banned, and Amazon has its own multiple accounts for only few Amazon associates. You can create multiple tracking IDs, and once you create multiple tracking IDs, once you use those tracking IDs for individual websites, you know how much Amazon affiliate commission you're making through each niche website. So you don't need an extra account for every website which you create. The next thing to remember is don't violate Amazon's trademark policy. So Amazon clearly mentions that you should not use websites with domain names like kindlemagazines.mydomain.info. Basically, Kindle is proprietary of Amazon, and Amazon doesn't want its brand to be jacked, and it doesn't want URLs like amazon.blogspot.com or amazonmusicblog.wordpress.com. So it doesn't want its brand names. The complete list of brand names I have already mentioned in the text section. Just look at it. It has a huge list of trademark names. You cannot use Amazon Prime or Kindle or Now Prime Now kind of names. The complete list of trademarks I have already given in the text section. Do have a look at it. Make sure those words are not mentioned in your domain name. But because Amazon sees that you're promoting products which is on a domain name which jacks its brand identity, then it might ban your account. The next one is paid search placements. So these two things you have to remember. One thing is you are not supposed to bid in Google AdWords for keywords like Kindle or Amazon or Prime Now or Amazon Prime or anything related to Amazon trademark terms, the link to which I mentioned in the text below. So do not bid on those keywords. And the second thing is you are not supposed to directly send traffic to Amazon affiliate links through Google AdWords. For instance, you might pick up an Amazon affiliate link for the product which you're promoting, and for that product name you run a Google AdWords campaign. Amazon doesn't want you to do that. Send users to your site and not directly or indirectly via redirect link to the Amazon site. So it's clearly mentioning that you have to send the traffic to your site, and then they click on the link which you're promoting, and as a result they end up on Amazon. You're not just directly sending the traffic to Amazon affiliate website. Next one is, do not use Amazon customer reviews without an API. This is what the agreement says. You will not display or otherwise use any of our customer reviews or star ratings in part or in whole on your site unless you have obtained a link to that customer reviews or star rating through an PA API and you comply with the requirements for the PA API described in the license. So we have a tendency to copy the customer review or the product description given in Amazon and kind of spin it and write it on our own blog. Please refrain from that because Amazon doesn't like it. The customer review written on Amazon is proprietary of Amazon and it doesn't like others to copy that review. So the next steps is do an audit of your website. Make sure whatever I mentioned in this video, you are not doing the same mistakes on your own niche site or an affiliate blog. If you get any doubt whether your website or your niche site is not as per Amazon guidelines and you're not sure about a particular Amazon terms and guidelines, make sure you write to Amazon Associates email support option. So they have an email support which you can just write to and they will reply back on email, and you can use this because this is Amazon official support system. You will get very high quality support and you will also get the right information, unlike as in blogs. So if you have any queries regarding this video and you are stuck with any of the terms and conditions and you didn't understand the terms and conditions, the links which I am going to point out in the text section, just do mention it in the comment section below and I will help you out in the best way possible.